Hey, what is going on, guys? Donovan here. In today's video, I want to show you guys the difference between the Shorty headers, which I previously had installed on my Charger RT, and the long tube headers with the off-road mid pipes. This video is going to be exclusively about the sound difference between the two. I'm going to have a performance analysis video in the future, so stay tuned for that. Also, I want to mention, if you aren't subscribed already, please consider clicking that subscribe button below. We're so close to 1,000 and I'm starting to get super excited about it. Of course, I got a bunch of cool content lined up for the future, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, I'm gonna be quiet, let's get into the video. Although it might be kind of hard to tell from the video, the long tubes are significantly louder in person. The in-cabin noise has increased significantly, almost to the point where I'm kind of considering putting some sort of resonator at the back. And the sound while cruising is also significantly louder. When it goes into 8-cylinder mode, you actually don't hear it as much when it goes into 4-cylinder mode, and obviously that's one of the big complaints about 4-cylinder mode and custom exhausts on these cars, is that they develop this weird kind of drone thing. So it does drone a little bit, I have to say. Since it is pretty tough to pick up the difference between the two setups with a microphone, I'm gonna go ahead and do a decibel reading of the new exhaust setup, and I'll post a different video of that for you guys in the future. I unfortunately don't have the footage right now, so look forward to that. And I'll go ahead and compare it to a video from a few months back last year where I compared my car with Brandon's car, and you kind of got a feel for how loud mine was. Obviously, the phone app is inherently inaccurate. I also don't want to use a different measuring tool for both because there are inaccuracies and uncertainties associated with each tool, so you want to use the same one to kind of level the playing field. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please remember to click that subscribe button below. I seriously want to say thank you to those who are already subscribed. The channel has been growing tremendously over the past couple of weeks, and it means a ton to me. Anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.